So I feel really fortunate to sit on the Library Foundation Board. And what excites me about being a board member is that, first of all, I get to hang out at the library a lot, so that's fun. But also I get to help raise funds for our library system. So I think it's so important for individuals to fund the library because we know that that can be a constant, right? We know that there are a lot of good people in our community. There's a lot of people that care about each other, and we want our city of Cincinnati and our suburbs to grow and to have smart, engaged future generations. So when we all give individually, it makes a big impact, and it makes sure that our system isn't going anywhere. We don't always know if we can count on tax levies. We don't always know if we can count on other types of funding. But when together we each give a little bit, we know that the library is going to be here for our grandkids and our nieces and nephews like mine. I don't think people realize what a gift we have here in Cincinnati with this library system. And maybe that's okay because we take it for granted. And I think a lot of times you take the really great things for granted because that's natural, that's human nature. But in Cincinnati, our library does more than check out books. Our library gives the free COVID tests. They do contests. They have homework helpers. It's so much more than books. And so in a way, I'm glad we take it for granted because it means it's always been here. But we can't take it so much for granted that we forget about it, so it's not here for the future.